Right, what we are doing now is we're going to feed the birds. It's a cold winter evening, Sunday afternoon, and we're going to open the window so you help pull the window. And now I put these in quick. Silly me. Pull it all the way, and then pull the other one all the way. It's real hard.
Yeah, I found the feather.
Really hard.
Okay.
It's hard, I know. Oh, there we go. Start throwing. Keep throwing.
And break. I'm chopping all the bread off.
Keep throwing. Don't stop. It's cold and it will get cold in here.
Ow.
Oh.
I brought one in the bush.
Throw them in the bush.
Oh no.
Into the
Let's
green
try-
bush right beside you. Throw it on the top, in the middle.
Totally.
Right in the middle.
I found two. I hate throwing. First one in the bush is a rotten egg.
In the
You're
bush
right,
right
Nick.
there.
You're a
Throw them in the
egg.
bush. You threw it right past the bush.
No.
You threw too fast.
No, it went in.
It did?
Yeah, I saw.
Okay.
It went in.
And the birds will come and have something to chew on. Here comes some. I saw some flying by. Oh, they're looking. They're up in the tree looking to see what you're doing. Yeah, he's going to go tell his buddies, come on down. There's bread out here.
There. Have a good lunch.
Have a good lunch.
Yeah.
Thank you. The birds will be very happy.
Which me, Bob?
Oh, can you hear them chirping?
Papa.
Yeah.
I want Kizzy back.
Okay. All
Lost one. I want the thing.
right. Well, I could hear the birds chirping already. I don't.
Hey,
Are they out
we need a
there?
bowl for them. They will pick it up and get. And they
No,
will put it
we're
on
we're not taking that out there. No.
No, no, no. They will just come in there. They're going to pick it up, then put it on the bowl. Right?
No, that won't eat it. I see a bread. I see bread.
Where?
I see bread right there, Nolan.
I did it.
They're fourth of a kind. They've been in there for a long time. Coming out, going in, playing all kinds of games.
Yum, yum, yum.
Singing and dancing and dress up.
Shaky, shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky, shaky. Shaky. Nolan, shake your bum.
Shaky, shaky,
Shaky. Shaky, shaky, shaky.
shake the table.
Shaky, shaky, shaky.
Put it back, back. Shake your butt, shake your butt,
Shaky, shaky, shaky.
shake the butt,
A typical Sunday when these kids come around here. Except in the wintertime, we're more stuck inside than we are outside.
Shake the
Nolan, let's switch.
switching to eyes.
Whoa, Nolan.
Whoa, Nolan. Eating bread.
Let's have bread.
Well, I'm going to shut this down.
Hey,
Have a look outside to see if any more birds are showing up. A dull gray day out here.
Nolan, get some fresh. Line up for the first. No, Nolan, you have to be down.
Not no real sign of any bird activity, but there are a few of the winter birds that come into the bush here.
wearing this bowl.
Now, Nolan,
The
next
first
to you.
one. Ow.
Nolan, next to you. You have to go up.
You have to make a table.
I want to go somewhere else. Are you for sure?
Well, I'm going to shut this down. Say goodnight, everybody.